Okay, Sponge, we're gonna get your balloon. Here's your balloon. What happened to the balloon? I'll get it for you. There you go. Hold on. Get it. You want me to get it? No, not on the camera. Here you go, Sponge. What are you doing? Go get the balloon. Here you go. Thumbs up, buddy. Oh. Get out of there. Oh, dang, Sponge. What happened? You alright? You angry now? You an angry bird. Come on, Sponge. Right there. We're gonna go we're gonna go show them our other birds, right? Okay. Right now you can't really see them. Get on, Sponge. Get on, buddy. You need to unlock it here. Wait a second. Alright guys, we're gonna go see the other birds. We actually got some new ones over the months. Couple months. You guys can't really see them right now. So we're gonna unlock the door. I don't really know what door to unlock. It's right here. But there's some of them. Those two are actually parents. They've had over 10, I think. And those are them little babies. I don't know if she's pregnant right now. Don't really know. But yeah, they're kind of frustrated right now. Let's see. And Sponge, he actually has his own cage. He just likes in there. So it's just a hat. He likes sleeping in there. Sponge, no. Oh, there's. There we go. Let me show you. Sponge. This is his favorite little toy. He's actually got it all. You see that? He didn't have the tag no more. Sponge took it off. He's getting in, you see? Wait, I guess you guys... I hope you guys liked the video. Oh, one more thing. He doesn't actually live in... He doesn't want to live in here, I guess. But he actually eats here. I don't know why. He has his cage outside and... Yeah. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you.